What's up YouTube? Today we're looking at a Jayco Redhawk 2017 Clas C RV. It's really easy to drive and it sleeps 5. It's powered by a Triton V10 Ford engine. It has plenty of power and the towing capacity on this one is 7,500 pounds, which means you're going to have a lot of options for tow vehicles. Come on, let's go take a look.
Yeah, this Redhawk, it comes in under 27 feet length, and the height is less than 12 feet, so it's going to get you where you want to go. It also comes with an Onan 4 kilowatt generator, which gives you the option for off-grid camping. With 43 gallons of fresh water, you should be able to sustain 4 to 7 days without hookups. This Clas C can sleep up to 5 people. It has a separate bedroom with a privacy slide, a queen-size bed, a 50-inch TV, and plenty of storage space. The mid-bathroom is split in the center of the coach with a sink and plenty of storage space on one side, just to be able to take care of all of your necessities. On the other side, you're going to have your shower and your commode behind a closed door for some privacy. Another peek around the bedroom where you can get a little bit of better idea how the rear slide opens up the area. Moving back up to the front of the coach, you can see where the kitchen is fully equipped with a dual sink, a 3-burner stove, a microwave convection oven, and an electric propane refrigerator freezer. Notice that the dinette also converts to a sleeping area and the over-the-cab bunk.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you are in the market to buy or sell, please contact me. My information is in the description below. And remember, there's nothing sexier than a used RV salesman.